Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you what are the bloatware and the pre-install applications in the Realme GT2 device. Yes friends, just now I did do the unboxing of the Realme GT2 device, and right now I'm going to show you what are the bloatware applications and pre-install applications in the Realme GT2 smartphones. This is the Realme GT2 device which I'm trying to use exactly in this video, and right now I did not install any applications at this moment in this phone, and these are the pre-installed bloatware applications which you can actually find in this Realme GT2 device. And let me start with the first application, which is the Amazon application, and booking.com is also there, and next Facebook is pre-installed, and apart from that I think JOS is also pre-installed, LinkedIn and modes application, phone pay is also there, and Snapchat and Soloop. As you can see, these are the pre-installed bloatware applications which are present in this Realme GT2 device exactly, as you can see friends. So which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So these are the bloatware, and definitely you can actually uninstall them without any kind of issues. Let's go to the apps and let's go to the, and let me show you what are the total number of applications which are present. So 72 applications which are there right now in this device, 72 I think. So let me count. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 5 are 55, 56 and 57. So total number of applications out of the box are 57 applications are already there in the Realme GT2 device after you unbox it. But definitely you can actually uninstall them. Let me quickly uninstall these few applications which I'll never use them anyway. So as you can see friends, you can quickly uninstall them. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, stay tuned and bye.